Complaining is ordinary. Complimenting is extraordinary. Who doesn't want things in order and results as we expect? But when it doesn't happen the way we wanted or get the desired results, it takes a natural route towards complaining. What about when things happened right? Like when we got the task completed on time or achieved the set goals? I recall reading a wonderful statement during my early days of professional career, which read, great minds share ideas, average minds share experiences, low minds complains. After reading this, there has been a conscious effort to bounce ideas off as frequently as possible and share experiences as needed and refrain from complaining or change the context to look at complaints as challenges. In fact, complaints has been a source of inspiration for innovators, as identification of a problem is a great starting point for an innovation journey. Typically, innovation journeys need support from many stakeholders, and if we want the journey to be rewarding, then we need to be a little extra and compliment others for their goodness and good deeds. Having gone through several innovation journeys, I've experienced that great hearts compliments, average hearts compares, low hearts complains. We live in an interdependent world. How many times have we taken the opportunity to acknowledge and compliment the goodness of others who were instrumental in making things happen for us? We take people for granted. If only we can be a little extra and acknowledge others, it will take the relationship to a new level and make our innovation journey rewarding. Complaining is ordinary. Complimenting is extraordinary.